Welcome traders to this training video. Here we look at TradingView.com and we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1 hour. The date is 25th of July through till the 27th of July. Current price 7908. And these are the settings you can get: volume, pivot reversal strategy with alerts. This is coded for free. You just click a button and you get this from RU++, and the settings and the formats, you click here. Here we have the VPVR, which I'll cover in another video. Basically, the pivot reversal strategy with alerts with RU++ tells you when to sell Bitcoin and when to buy Bitcoin. So if we have a look here, the sell alert came in approximately 9 o'clock London time on the 25th of July. Price was about 8343. So you could have shorted it here, and the next signal to buy, so you've shorted it at 8343. Roughly the buy signal came in at 8240, so the difference between 8240 and roughly 8350 is your profit. Then at 11 o'clock ish on the 26th of July, if you hadn't been in a short position, you could have just bought Bitcoin 8242, and then the sell signal came in on the 26th of July at 2100 hours. So the difference between the buy, say roughly 8248 and 8300, so it's about $50 profit. You could have used times 2, 3, 5, 10 leverage. Basically I wouldn't use any more than 10 leverage until you become an experienced trader. If we have a look at previous days to see what profits you could have had, if we go back to 21st of July, a buy signal came in using this pivot reversal strategy alert from RU++. This one is free. Many are free, some you have to pay for, but I don't pay for any of these alerts. Buy signal came in at 7301, and that was about 1300 hours on the 21st of July. Then if we have a look at, say, 7300 roughly buy signal, then a few days later we're looking at the sell signal coming in at 83, so that's a really good profit of $1,000, and that is a few days later, roughly 9 o'clock in the morning, the sell signal was alerted. You can get these on your phone or email or your laptop. You just set up the alert here, click that, and what you'll have is BTC UCD and crossing value. You have a chance of clicking it once, so it'll trigger that, show a pop-up on your laptop, play a sound, alarm clock, and you can send it to email, to SMS, send an email, or send a text to you. This one I think you have to pay for that service. Click a button and that's how easy it is. So this is the MFI, which is the money flow, which is down here. Basically the idea is this line here, and I'd leave the settings as is. You just search on TradingView for MFI and leave the settings as it is and the inputs. You might want to thicken the line if you want, like this. Up to you. But basically down here we're looking at when the red appears. So you're using the red as a signal to buy. So it started here, so you buy. Another red signal came in, so the MFI is still on red. So what is happening here now? It's the green has appeared here, so you would have made a profit about from here to roughly when the green appeared, meaning you'd sell about here. So you've bought here at about 7754 and you've sold here about 8193, so a good profit there. So you should use in two signals really to stand a good chance of profit. So you're using the MFI and you're using the pivot reversal strategy and other systems. Let's have a look. This one here is the MACD strategy, and you've got the MFI with slightly better appearance. So basically when you come to MACD here, it's buy 7425 roughly, and then you've got a small profit MACD 7536. Again, you can set up alerts for this. So we've got several in a day here, 23rd, roughly telling you to buy at 7610 on the 23rd of July at 03 in the morning, London time, and then to sell at this time, so you made a little bit of profit. Again, these MACD, just search on TradingView. What you do, you come here to indicators, and the indicators are built in. Most are free, but if you want any other indicators like the MACD, you could just search for it here, MACD, or just look down the line, MACD here, and you just put that on here. You'll see it appearing once you click. So we've got it here, and any signals you want. Here we look at another one. This one is sentiment. So what we've got is, what is the sentiment? Red is sell, the market is saying sell, and this line is the red sentiment, and the green line is the buy sentiment. So once we see this line green dipping, you can see that that corresponds with the price of Bitcoin going up. So once again, once you see this line coming down, then you can see the price is going up, so it's buy. Another signal, here we have market sentiment. So the greener it is, the market is saying yeah, they are very positive, bullish. So that's what green is about. And you use this in combination with another strategy, which would be of your choice. Pivot reversal strategy works quite good. Again, it's from RU++. So we see from here the price was roughly 8,420, and then the market sentiment was quite bullish, green, plenty of green. Then the market decided they're a bit bearish, so it's going redder and redder and redder, and as we see the price is coming down. Again, we've got the pivot reversal strategy from RU++. This is free, so they tell you to sell and the red is getting worse, so that's 2 signals you can have. So I would have sold here around 8361, and then we're looking at the green sentiment, the market sentiment coming back quite high, and up it goes, and then we have a buy signal from the pivot reversal strategy. So you could have shorted it and then bought Bitcoin back at roughly 8250, and you would have shorted it at 8356, so about $100 profit plus more if you use leverage on BitMEX. The actual plans from TradingView, free, or these are the other prices and what you get: chart layouts, enhanced watch lists. The Pro is $9.95 a month, or from $9.95. This is what I use myself, and others are available. So that's a quick overview about the TradingView.com. I find the pivot reversal strategy and other strategies very good, and I'll be putting more videos out on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching.